Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 1. What defines effective leadership and management? This video explores the theories and skills necessary to motivate teams and drive organizational success. Discover how leadership and management theories can enhance team development and performance. The aim is to understand leadership and management theories to boost motivation and performance. Learners will explore how these skills improve team development. Leadership is about inspiration and support for organizational success. Management focuses on guiding and controlling to achieve goals. Both play crucial roles in organizational efficiency. Leadership is the ability to motivate and inspire followers towards organizational success. It involves competencies like global mindset and ethical vision. A 21st century leader is a coach, innovator, and technologist. They coordinate tasks and inspire through ethics. Effective leadership combines vision with practical execution. Management is the art of guiding individuals to achieve organizational goals. It involves synchronizing and coordinating efforts. Managers focus on systems and regulations. They ensure tasks align with objectives. Effective management supports organizational structure and efficiency. Managers supervise, while leaders motivate. Managers follow systems. Leaders inspire innovation. Leaders focus on trust. Managers on control. Leaders have a long-term view. Managers a short-term focus. Both roles are essential, but differ in approach and perspective. Strategic thinking distinguishes leaders from managers. Leaders plan and deliver organizational success. Effective leadership requires collaboration and communication. Leaders must persuade and influence others. Change management is crucial, especially during transitions. Leadership theories categorize into 4 groups: trait, behavioral, contingency, and power. Trait theories focus on personality characteristics. Behavioral theories assess leaders' actions. Contingency theories adapt to situations. Power theories examine how leaders use influence. Trait theories suggest effective leaders share common traits. These traits include integrity, empathy, and decision-making skills. Leadership is not solely innate. It can be developed. Traits emerge from internal beliefs and processes. Success as a leader is not guaranteed by traits alone. Behavioral theories focus on leaders' actions. Autocratic leaders make decisions alone, while democratic leaders seek input. Laissez-faire leaders allow team autonomy. Leadership style affects team performance. The best leaders adapt their style to the situation. Contingency theories state there's no one-size-fits-all leadership style. The best style depends on the situation. Models like House's path goal theory guide leaders. Situational adaptation is key to effective leadership. Leaders must assess circumstances to choose the right approach. Power and influence theories explore how leaders use authority. French and Raven's model identifies 5 power types. Positional power includes legitimate, reward, and coercive forms. Personal power involves expert and referent sources. Building expert power is crucial for leadership effectiveness. Transactional leadership focuses on reward-based motivation. It designs tasks and rewards to drive performance. This approach may lack relational depth. However, it is effective for achieving specific outcomes. Many organizations use transactional leadership daily. Transformational leadership emphasizes long-term vision. Leaders set examples and ensure efficient processes. It involves strategic planning and clear objectives. This style fosters a motivating work environment. Transformational leaders inspire change and innovation. Leadership models vary from transformational to situational. Each model applies to different organizational contexts. Task-oriented leadership suits semi-skilled teams. Participative models work with skilled professionals. Effective leadership adapts to organizational needs. Leadership influences others to achieve objectives. It fosters organizational cohesion and direction. Leaders develop through self-study and experience. Attributes like ethics and values shape leadership. Management focuses on achieving goals through guidance. Management and leadership theories define roles in organizations. They focus on characteristics and goal development. Theories guide leaders and managers in strategy. Workshops and activities enhance understanding. Effective leadership drives organizational success. Leaders face challenges like financial constraints and policy objectives. They must adapt to changes and manage responses. Managers answer to directors and stakeholders. Effective management aligns resources with goals. Leadership is crucial in achieving organizational objectives. Leadership styles vary across management positions. Laissez-faire leaders allow autonomy. Autocratic leaders make decisions independently. Participative leaders involve teams in decision-making. Transactional and transformational styles focus on motivation and vision. Leadership models are supported by extensive research. Scholars like Avolio and Campbell contribute to understanding. References guide leaders in applying theories. Models adapt to organizational contexts. Effective leadership combines theory with practical application. Further reading is available in ebooks and journals. Queries can be emailed for clarification. Assignments are submitted after unit completion. Continuous learning enhances leadership skills. Resources support ongoing development. As we conclude leadership and management, Learning Outcome 1, we have developed an understanding of key theories of leadership and management and how they influence organizational performance. We explored classical management theories, behavioral and contingency approaches, as well as transformational and transactional leadership styles, recognizing how different models apply in varying contexts. By understanding these theories, leaders and managers can adapt their approach to motivate teams effectively, make informed decisions, and drive organizational success in dynamic environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 43 61688.